की जय, भक्ति महादेवी की जय, राधा रानी की जय। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। बर्हापीडं नटवरवपुः कर्णयो कर्णिकारं बिभ्रद्वासः कनककपिशं वैजयन्तीं च मालां रन्ध्रान्वेणु रधरसुधया पूरयन् गोपवृन्दै वृन्दारण्यं स्वपदरमणं प्राविशद्गीतकीर्ति। नमः कमलनाभाय, नमः कमलमालिने, नमः कमलपादाय, नमस्ते कमलेक्षणे। यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्गुरुहदेवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। भागवत सुमिरन। रिद्धि सिद्धि दाता सिद्धि सदन वारन वदन सुमिरो बारंबार मदन कदन के लाल को गणपति कृपा ज्ञान भानु आनंद भवन देहु मोहि वरदान वर्णो भाषा भागवत जय शिव आनंद भूतनाथ भव भय भक्ति विषय गौर बरन मंगल हे ब्रज चंद्र ब्रजभूषण दूषण काटहु भव भय चरण शरण जय 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 जगदीश सेवक शेष महेश अज महिमा अमित अभेद वेद भेद जानत केहू मोहि बरदान राधा बरयव जय सदा प्रेम भरी सुधान चित्त में कट घाट मोहि चाहिए कछना और वस्तु प्रभु जात बसी रहे मन मान यह बाकी झाकी ये लखुटी सिर पर धरे कर मुरली उन्माद शीश मुकुट कटि पीठ पर या छवि सोनला बस हृदय मम गुरुपद रज धर कहूँ भागवत की कथा जो शुक्रदेव मुनीश सो परीक्षित निप अति भय निगम कल्पतरु गलितं फलम् सुखमुखादमृतद्रव संयुतम् पिबत भागवतं रसमालयम् मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुका मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुका। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय उमापति महादेव की जय राधा रानी की जय भक्ति महादेवी की जय श्रीमद सद्गुरु महाराज की जय। आदरणीय पूजनीय पंडितगण विप्र मंडली भक्त समुदाय महानुभाव worshipful Pandits, we're very blessed to have Pandit Varma with us tonight also. Thank you Panditji for blessing us with your august presence and your blessings. Of course Pandit Chaitra Maharaj, who's celebrating his birthday with this yagna. All the devotees, divine souls. First let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to all of you. भागवत कल हमने ये कथा सुना कि वीर व्यास पहले एक वेद थे, उसको चारों में बांट दिया, इसलिए नाम वेद व्यास पड़ गया। उन्होंने 17 पुराण भी लिख दिया, ग्रंथ के रूप में ला गया। ये हमेशा स्थित थे, ये वेद, ये पुराण, ये सब। इसके बाद भी महाभारत लिखा, जो धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष का विस्तार विषय पूरा लिख दिया, 1 लाख मंत्र। फिर भी असंतुष्ट, अशांति, व्याकुल थे, तो नारद जी आए। Yesterday we heard a katha, Veda Vyas, descension of Bhagavan Shri Krishna, Avisha Avatar, partial manifestation. Originally there was one Veda. He divided this Veda into 4. Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, Atharva Veda. That's how we got the name Veda Vyas. He wrote the 17 Puranas, which is called Pancham Veda and Itihas, the 5th Veda. This Mahabharata, which has in detailed explanation the 4 traditional aims of human life, dharma, arth, kam, moksha. All of this he's done. Yet he had no peace. He was disturbed in the mind, very disturbed. He's soaching that he's thinking, what is the cause, sitting on the bank of that river Saraswati. Narad ji came. Veda Vyas worship Narad Ji in the highest way and put him to sit. Narad Ji then said to Ved Vyas कि आपने ये सब काम किया, ज्ञान का भंडार लोक हित के लिए, इसलिए आपने अवतार लिया, लेकिन एक चीज नहीं किया आपने, ये भगवान की लीला, ऐसे कोई ग्रंथ नहीं लिखा सिर्फ भगवान परब्रह्म के लिए विस्तार पूर्वक नहीं लिखा, और जो भक्ति है, जो भगवान के सबसे प्रिय है, इस विषय को पूरे विस्तार नहीं किया। Then Narad Ji said to Ved Vyas, look, you have given so much knowledge, the reason why you have come in this world for the welfare of humanity, and put all the scriptures in book form. The scriptures was of always existed. Vedas are eternal. Sanatan. Puran means old. They all of this is eternal, Sanatan. You have put them in book form. You have written Mahabharata, which has given dharma, artha, kam, moksha in detail. But one thing you have not done, that's why you are not happy, that's why you have not found peace, contentment. You have yet to write the book that contains in full detail about Bhagwan Shri Krishna. Who is Shri Krishna? Full detail about the Supreme Lord. And not only that, that bhakti which is very dear to Shri Krishna. You have not written on that subject. Only pure bhakti. तो यहाँ तक हम लोग आए थे कल रात, तो आज इसका आगे हम चलेंगे. This is where we reached last night, and then we'll go from here and see what happens. So we're going to do a bhajan, and as we sing the bhajan, this beautiful bhajan written by Kripalu Mahaprabhu Jagat Gautam. Beautiful bhajan, Gun Gao Re Mana Radha Ramana. भगवान से ये बहुत प्रिय है, उनके गुणगान. The thing that makes Bhagwan most pleased when we chant His divine names, His glory. There's nothing as purifying the sacred as chanting the name of Bhagwan. क्यों? नाम नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्व शक्तिस. Bhagwan has taken all His power and put in the name Nij Sarva Shaktis. वो बैठ गए नाम, He's sitting in the name. There's no difference between Bhagwan and the name, His name. People in the world and their name, big difference. But when it comes to Bhagwan, the Supreme Lord and His name, there's no difference. So, this verse is saying, let us chant, sing the glories of the Supreme Lord, Shri Krishna, the beloved of Radharani. Gun gao rimana, gun jeevan dhana. Glorify the beloved of Radharani, Shri Krishna, who is the very form of the wealth of my life, of our life. Guna Radha Ramana, Guna Prema Dhana. Glorifying Shri Krishna, who is the treasure of divine life. She is divine love personified. Guna Radha Ramana, Guna Prana Dhana. Shri Krishna is a Prana Dhana. Dhan means wealth. He is the wealth, the treasure of my life, of my Pran. Sing His glories again and again. Soi Swami Sakha Sutta Soi Sajjana. और चार रिश्ते हमें बनना है भगवान से. और प्यार कैसे करेंगे? अब हम सोचेंगे वो भगवान और मैं पापी हूं तो प्यार नहीं होगा. तो चार रिश्ते बनाना है. So how are we going to love God? Bhakti means to love. भगवान से प्यार करना, to love God. If we think He is Bhagwan and I am a sinner, a fallen soul, we can't love. So the saints have told us, there are 6 saints, to establish the closest of human relations. And therefore, Dasya Bhav, I am a servant, O Swami, Shri Krishna is my master. Swami, Dasya Bhav, Sakya Bhav. Sakha means friend. He is my friend, my eternal friend. Sakhaya, the Vedas says. Sanatan Mitra. Number 3, Vatsalya Bhav. Shri Krishna is my child, I am his parent, or he is my parent, I am the child. Or Sajjana, Shri Krishna is my Madhurya Bhav, my beloved. This relation. Guna Jake Bana Priyatam Apana. Make the Supreme Lord your Supreme Beloved by chanting His divine glories again and again. Gun gao re, gao re, gao re, mana Radha Ramana. Gun gao re, mana Radha Ramana. Gun gao re, mana गौरे मना बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, राधा रानी की जय। यहाँ फिर वेद व्यास जी महाराज, नारद जी ने कहा वेद व्यास की, हे व्यास जी आप का दृष्टि ऐसे है अब छूट न जाए, आप भी भगवान का कलांश है। आप अजन्म है फिर भी जन्म लेते हैं लोक कल्याण के लिए, लोक हित के लिए। इसलिए जो भगवान का जो कला अंश है आप, तो उस भगवान के पूरा लीला, पूरे सब कुछ इनके विस्तार पूर्वक लिख दीजिए। नारद जी then says to व्यास जी महाराज की, हे व्यास, you have one fail in sight, you can see past, present and future. You are the ray of the Supreme Lord, manifestation of Bhagwan himself. Though unborn, you take birth. Bhagwan doesn't take birth, yet he takes uncountable birth. Bhagwan Krishna says to Arjuna, I have taken uncountable births and so has he. The difference is I know all of them while you don't. भगवान जन्म भी लेते हैं और अजन्म भी है। हम लोग भी जन्म लेते हैं और अनादि भी है, हम भी अज, भगवान भी अज। We are also the individual souls, we are also unborn, eternal, Sanatana. Gyagyo dvavaja vishanisha vaja heka bhokti bhogyat yukta anantaschatma vishwarupo hyakartat yamyada vindate brahmametat. Shvetashvataro Upanishad chapter 1 verse 9. The Vedas say both Bhagavan, the Supreme Lord, and Jivatma, the individual soul, are unborn, aj, eternal, beginningless. Never had a beginning, will never have an end. एक गीता में कहा, न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे। Chapter 2 verse 20. The soul never takes birth, nor does it die, nor having come into existence does it cease to be, because it is unborn, eternal and most ancient. It is not destroyed even when the body is destroyed. Ajayamano bahudha vijayate tasya yona paripashyanti dhiraha. Yajurved. Ajayamana. The Vedas are saying God never takes birth. Ajayamana. And immediately afterwards, bahudha vijayate. He takes uncountable births. जो असंभव तो होते हैं, जहां हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, उसी को भगवान कहते हैं. Where the impossible takes place. It is day right now, it is night also right now. That's impossible. For us it's impossible. For Bhagwan, that is nothing. Child's play. So when two impossible things are happening at the same time, वो साकार भी है, निराकार भी है. He's also with form as well as without form. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि भगवान निराकार ही होते हैं. Some people say God is only formless. He can never have form, and they quote Ved. द्वे वाव ब्रह्मणो रूपे मूर्तं चैवा मूर्तं च बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद 2:3:1. Vedas are saying very clear. God is both with form, Murtan, as well as without form, Amurtan. Don't just quote one part, quote whole of it. Thousands of mantras. So you are, even though you are unborn, you have taken birth. Why? For the welfare of the world. Jagat hit ke liye, lok hit ke liye. Therefore, describe in details the exploits, the divine pastimes of the Supreme Lord. This is, look, ये लीला, जो लीला है ना, ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This thing which is called Leela, divine pastime, is supremely important. अगर ये भगवान संसार में नहीं आते, हम लोगों के बीच में, और ये सब नहीं करते, तो कोई भी भगवान के पास जाएंगे, जा नहीं सकते. How important is Leela, divine pastime? If God would never descend in this world and come within our midst and perform divine pastimes, his sport, just like how we play sport, cricket, football, all these things, soccer, Bhagwan plays sport. His sport is called Leela, divine. Ours is material. But if he doesn't come and perform all his divine pastimes, no one will go to Bhagwan. Because ashray, we need something to focus the mind, to love. Somebody says Bhagwan has no name, no form, no quality, no pastime, naam bhi nahi, no name, nothing. और इसको प्यार करो, love him. आप कैसे करेंगे? How are you going to love an entity without name, form, nothing? Huh? This is why Bhagwan, when he comes in the world as Sri Ram and perform all these wonderful pastimes, just like a worldly man. His wife gets kidnapped, he's crying as though he doesn't know. First he tells Sita, go in the fire. वो पहले सीता को बताया कि अग्नि में जा, go in the fire and give your chaya, the shadow form come back. Lakshman also doesn't know. So Ram knew all of this. He told Sita, and then he's pretending, he's crying and begging the tree and the birds. Hey Khagamriga, hey Madhukar Shreni, tum dekhi Sita Mriganayni. O birds, O bees, O mountain, O trees, worse than a worldly person. Huh? Manushya. And we read all these wonderful pastimes of Bhagwan. When he comes as Sri Ram, as Sri Krishna, even more Leelas. And we fall in love. That's how we're able to fall in love. Because now we get something to focus our mind. The mind gets attracted. All the mind's going to go in the world. Someone says, just sit down and think about nothing. Kuch bhi man ko khali kar do. How are you going to do that, bhaiya? Impossible. Nobody. No yogi, rishi, muni, no one can do. This mind will, what did Arjuna say in Gita? Chanchalam madha Krishna pramati balavadidham tasyamnika hammanye vayur vasudushkaram. Chapter 6 verse 34. How to control the mind. Prabhu, Shri Krishna is saying control the mind. Control the mind. Arjuna says how to do it. This mind is so strong, turbulent, unyielding. It's more difficult to control the mind than it is to control the wind. And Shri Krishna agreed. This is why. This is so important. So इसलिए he says, you have to do this. ये जो परम ज्ञानी हैं, ये लोग बताते हैं कि जो भी हम लोग करते हैं, तप, यज्ञ, व्रत, जो भी हम करते हैं, ये सब यहाँ तक हमको लाना है कि भगवान का गुणगान करना. All the things we do in the world, the wise declare, people do austere penances, tapasya, austerities. They try to do jnana, they do yagna, sacrificial worship, recite in the Vedas. ये सब कुछ, all these things. Eventually, it should bring the mind to recount the glories of the Lord, to chant, to sing His glories. This is where, Manam Adil Lakshai Bhakti. The ultimate aim is to do Bhakti, that the mind can get focused. पिछले काल में मैं एक दासी ब्राह्मण के साथ मेरा जन्म हुआ. Naraji is now telling his previous words in a different color. ये भी लीला है. It's also leela. As I mentioned, in the same Bhagavad, 24 dissensions of Bhagavan Krishna is described, and Naraji is counted among. Veda Vyas, Naraji is counted among the 24 dissensions. But this is Bhagavan who performed leela, Naraji also. So in the previous kalp, he says, in the previous dissension, I was born to maidservant with some Brahman who had relation with the Brahmanas who were versed in the Vedas. मैं छोटा सा, was a little boy. कुछ योगी लोग ऐसे भ्रमण करते थे. संत लोग, there were some saints, topmost among yogis, who would wander from place to place and they will stop because the rainy season to take shelter, etc. I was told to go and serve them as a little boy. Chota sa balak. He was told to go and serve these sages and sages. My nature, he says, I was very meek in nature, submissive. बहुत कम बोलते थे. अब बहुत बोलना अच्छा नहीं है. बहुत कम बोलते थे और ये सब खिलौना से सब कुछ से परे थे. परवाह नहीं. I spoke very little. To speak a lot is not good. All is nonsense, buck. Speak less, only important. So he said I didn't speak much, spoke very little, and I remained aloof from all playthings, not like ordinary children. All interested in play and playthings. वो संत लोग हमसे बहुत प्यार करते थे क्योंकि मैं इनकी सेवा करता था. And so the sages were very kind to me, loving to me because I was serving them in all different ways. Seva. Santu ki seva. To serve the saints. This is the ultimate aim, to do seva. And Naraji was serving the saints. उसी ब्राह्मण लोग के, वो संतों के कृपा से 24 घंटे में एक बार खाना खा. छोटा लड़का एक बार खाना खाता था. एक बार. और जो कैसे खाना खाते, जो उनके जूठन, जैसे वो खाना खा लिया, जो छोड़ दिया, वही हम खाते थे. By the grace of those saints and sages, he said, I was able to eat only once in 24 hours. Not be hungry. A little boy, children is very difficult to suppress hunger. He's just about 5 years or smaller. By the grace of the saints. And what did he eat? When the saints and sages will eat and whatever they left, it's called uchisht. We say jutha, but jutha is from us worldly souls. When a saint, a divine person eat, that is called uchisht. Prasad, Mahaprasad. Gaurang Mahaprabhu ne bahut sundar kaha. Gaurang Mahaprabhu says something very beautiful. Bhakt pad jal, bhakt pad dhuri, bhakt avashish, tin mahava. The saints, bhakt means saint. The water that washes the lotus feet of a saint is called Charanamrit. This is the Charanamrit. Bhakta Pada Jal, Bhakta Pada Dhuri, the dust of the lotus feet of the saint. Or Bhakta Avashish, whatever they have eaten and left, whatever they have worn, touched, etc., is called Uchish. If one were to partake of this, Tin Mahava, it becomes extremely powerful in your bhakti. It helps tremendously. It washes all the sins, purifies the sins of the mind. and brings bhakti for Bhagwan. हम लोग नहीं जानते. देखो, हम लोग भगवान को प्रसाद भोग लगाते हैं. We offer bhog to Bhagwan. We're supposed to offer bhog with love, with devotion. But Bhagwan is sitting here and I'm fanning him and he's eating. Huh? कुछ समय बैठ के, not just do like this quick. वो लगाओ भोग, हाँ? और बैठ के गाओ भोग गीत. There are many bhog geet written by the saints and sages. Sit down. And with love, with tears in your eyes, ask Bhagwan to come and eat. Bhagwan says, I will eat. Not, I don't want expensive things. Patram, pushpam, palam, toyam. Give me a leaf, a flower, a fruit, some water, a few drops of water even. But Yome bhaktya prachati, give it with love. Bhakti says, I will eat. Or you can give the best thing in the world, chappan bhog, 56 type of the best things, as Duryodhan did. But if there is no love, Bhagwan says, "Main khaunga nahi, I will not eat." Oh, prem, yeah, this is why he ate the jutha of Shabari. He ate the banana peel, the skin of the banana given by Viduran because of love. Prem. And refused to eat chappan bhog, 56 type. Duryodhan was king, but there was no love. So, when we offer to Bhagwan, we don't know if Bhagwan is eaten or not. We say prasad, we eat afterwards. We are supposed to. Yad karoshya dashnasi, yad johosya das, yad tapasyasi kauntiya, tat kurushama darpanam. Chapter 9, verse 27, Gita. Whatever you eat, Shri Krishna is saying, whatever one eats, whatever you drink, whatever sacrifice, whatever action you perform, whatever you do, offer to me first. Offer, we're supposed to offer to Bhagwan and then partake. Don't just because you're hungry and I'm cook the food, grab, take on the pot and start eating. And some of us in the Western world, they start tasting from the pot itself, the same spoon. Hey Bhagwan. अब भगवान को कैसे अर्पित करेंगे? How are you going to offer to Bhagwan now? Anyhow, so we call that prasad. When a saint who is Bhagwan personified, Acharya Mam Vijaniyan, 11 Canto, 17 chapter 27 verse Bhagavad Mahapuran, Shri Krishna says to Uddhav, know the saint to be me, Shri Krishna personified. Mam Vijaniyan. When a saint who is Shri Krishna, who is God personified, eats, then we know, we have seen him eating. When he leaves, that is called Mahaprasad. Because he is eaten. And that has power. It has the power. Naraji says, हमारे सब पाप को नष्ट कर दिया, धो लिया. It cleansed all the sins that were stored in my mind. इनकी सेवा करते करते हमारा मन पवित्र हो गया. By doing the seva of the saints. Seva is so important. संतों की सेवा, to serve the saints and sages. By doing that, my mind became pure, purified. The condition for knowing God, pure heart, pure mind. Just by serving the saints. Shri Krishna says in Gita, Tadvir pranipadena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshati te jnanam jnaninas tattva darshinaha. Chapter 4 verse 34 Gita. If you're so fortunate, the greatest fortune to meet such an entity. What entity? Jnaninaha plus tattva darshinaha. Jnaninaha, one who has knowledge of all the Vedas and all the scriptures. Complete knowledge. Was attained the complete knowledge. Plus tattva darshinaha. He has seen God, attained God. If you are so fortunate to meet such a saint, the true Guru, what to do? Number one, tat pranipatena, completely surrender to him. Number two, pariprashnena, ask him question. You have doubts in the mind, to remove the doubts. And number three, sevaya, do his seva, serve him. He will give you knowledge, he will give you everything. Hey Veer Vyas, धीरे धीरे पग पग भगवान के लिए मेरे मन में आसक्ति हो गई भगवान के लिए. और he says slowly by doing this my mind became attached to Bhagwan. Just by serving the saints and sages, my mind became attached to Bhagwan. I developed such a love for Bhagwan that I only thought about Bhagwan. Every moment I thought, ये भगवान के सोचते ही परम आनंद आता. Just by thinking about Bhagwan, supreme joy would fill my mind. And इस तरह से इसके बाद ये हाँ तीन बात ये संत लोग ये क्या करते हैं, भगवान का गुणगान करते हैं, भगवान की कथाएं सुनाते हैं. What do the saints and sages do? Do they talk about cricket, about politics? Do they talk about worldly things? No, they talk about Bhagwan. They sing the glories of Bhagwan. 3 times a day with rapt attention, he says, every day I will listen to the saints and sages glorifying Bhagwan and glorifying his qualities, etc. This is, we have to listen to the scriptures from this type. When we hear from them, it causes something different to happen to us. कुछ और होते हैं मन में जब संतों की बातें सुनते हैं, when we hear. And so भक्ति हमारे मन में पैदा होता है. Bhakti, just by listening to the saints and after the association of the saints, Bhakti started to grow and to sprout in my mind. Bhagwan Shri Ram says this in the Ramayana. Bhakti Swatantra Sakala Sukha Khani. He said to the residents of Ayodhya, Bhakti Swatantra, Bhakti is independent of all paths. Bhakti does not require the help of any path. Every path requires Bhakti. Bhakti doesn't require anybody, no Gyan, no Karma, nothing, no Yoga. And the storehouse of all happiness, Sakala Sukha Khani. But Binu Satya Sangha na pavahi prani. Without the association of the true saint, one who's attained Bhagwan, no one can attain that Bhakti. Naraji is proven that here. By doing that, he says, जो रज और तम का जो गुण है वो निकल गया. The qualities of Raj, 3 qualities of Maya governs the individual soul. Sattva gun, Rajo gun, Tamo gun. The more dangerous Sattva gun, Rajo gun. These 2 were destroyed. Tamo gun abhi tak hai. Sattva gun was still there, but Sattva gun is the mode of goodness. वो संतों ने भगवान का परम ज्ञान दिया. The saints and sages, they give the supreme knowledge, reveal the supreme knowledge is revealed by the supreme Lord himself to a little child. He's only 5 years old. ये संतों का उनमें शक्ति है. The saints have the power to do this. You might think, what can a little child? अरे Prahlad, forget about 5 years old. Prahlad attained all the knowledge of Bhagwan in the womb of the mother. In the ashram of Naraji, when Naraji took the mother, Indra was going to kill her, destroy the child in the womb. Narad said, "Hey, kya kar rahe? What are you doing?" He said, "Oh, in this womb of this woman is a powerful seed of that of Hiranyakashipu. He's so powerful, the child. No. Give that in the womb of her is a great devotee of Bhagwan." And Naraji took her to his ashram. And in the womb, of the mother, Prahlad attained the full knowledge. The full knowledge. The mother attained nothing. Rakshasi, she was a Rakshasi. She did seva, etc., but she didn't attain the man hai, the part nahi hai, she didn't have the part, the vessel. But Prahlad inside the womb attained the full knowledge. So, through the grace of the saints and sages, I came to understand the glory of Maya, this Maya that the yogis and rishis are trembling with fear. And through one who attains knowledge of this Maya, then they can attain knowledge of Bhagwan Vasudeva, who is the maker of the entire world. Hey Vyasji, up. ये जो रोग है, रोग संसार में, when there's a disease, let me give an example. Right now there's COVID, all right? The whole world is so fearful of this COVID disease. Whenever there is a viral infection, some disease, what do? They research the disease itself to make a cure for it. This vaccine we all take is made from the actual disease itself. The actual disease, the viral infection, they have taken part of it and used that to make the vaccine. This is how, whether it's chickenpox, whatever it is. They use the substance itself to make a cure for it. In the same way, he says, similarly, all the activities of man in the world, जो भी हम करते संसार में, इस संसार में आसक्त करते हैं. Whatever actions we perform binds us in the material world and makes us rotate in the 8.4 million forms. But the same action, if we offer it to Bhagwan, Bhagwan ko arpit karo. That's Sri Krishna was saying in Gita chapter 9 verse 27. We take all the actions and offer it to Bhagwan, that becomes bhakti. That same action will take us to Bhagwan. If we take it and we offer it in the world, and we just bind, it just binds us in the world, thinking I'm going to find happiness in this. And it makes us rotate in 8.4 million forms. The same action we offer to Bhagwan, oh, area could change karo bas. We just change the area. Take everything and offer it to Bhagwan, that becomes bhakti. इसलिए मैं कह रहा आपको कि भगवान का गुणगान करो. ऐसे किताब लिख दो. Write such a book that glorifies Bhagwan and his whole faith. फिर भी ऐसे आप वेद व्यास ने कहा कि वो जो हमको ये ज्ञान दिया वो चले गए. Naraji said that the saints and sages, they gave all this knowledge to me and they left. So Ved Vyas ji is then saying, okay, वो जाने के बाद आप उस समय बहुत छोटे थे, 5 साल के थे. इसके बाद क्या हुआ? So now Vyas ji is saying to Naraji, Naraji, the saints and sages give you this wonderful knowledge and they left. What happened after that? You were such a little boy. What happened after that? Naraji said, hey Vyas ji, हमको ज्ञान दिया और चले गए, और उस समय मैं 5 साल था बस. लेकिन इसके आगे मैं बताऊंगा क्या हुआ. मेरी माँ थी, वो एक दासी थी. एक दिन रात को गाय ढूंढने के लिए गए और सांप ने काट दिया और मर गई. तो मैंने सोचा ये भगवान की परम कृपा है, ये मान लिया मैंने, और ये सब कुछ छोड़ के उतर की तरह मैं घूमने गया. Now, Naraji, very briefly, I'm going to bring this katha to you. Some other time we'll go in detail. So Naraji is now saying, I was given this knowledge. It was a little child, little boy, 5 years old, tender age of 5. And what happened afterwards, I'm going to tell you, because you are asking. One night, my mother, who, as I said, was a servant, Dasi, She went to milk a cow in the night, and she so happened by fate, by destiny, to tread on a snake, a poisonous snake. It bit her, and she died. I took this as a blessing from Bhagwan. Now this sounds strange. If someone died, we will think the whole world has come. Bhagwan is very angry. Naraji on the other hand takes it as a blessing. ये भक्तो ऐसा करते हैं. Devotee looks at the worst thing as blessing. अच्छा भी कृपा, बुरे भी कृपा. They look at good as the best thing is grace, and the worst thing is grace. This is what Bhagwan Shri Ram says to Shabari. Ashtam jatha labh santosha. Shabari, the A type of devotion is to be contented whether in gain or loss. Yatha. When everything is good, we can say, oh, I'm so happy, Bhagwan is so happy with me. When everything is wrong, you lose everything, everything is destroyed. What do you think at that time? Oh, Bhagwan is angry with me, I know something is wrong. We in the world think like that. A devotee, hey Bhagwan, Dhanya ho. Thank you, Bhagwan, you have showered a great grace upon me. Everything for a true devotee of Bhagwan is prasad. Because the one who's given the fruit is Bhagwan. If I love Bhagwan, to jo bhi deta hai, wo prasad. If I love Bhagwan, whatever he gives, I will take it as prasad. Whether it's good or bad. Naraji said, taking us as a boon, as a blessing of Bhagwan, I went in the northern direction. What happened then? We'll do bhajan. Beautiful bhajan. Hey Shri Krishna, आप हमारे जीने का सहारा. You're the very sustenance of my life, sustainer of my life. Your name is the sustainer of my life. I do not know you, I can't see you, but I have your name. And as I said, God and the name is one. We don't have the faith, that's the only problem. The day we have that faith, that God is sitting in the name, 100%, you will see Bhagwan. Your name itself is a sustainer. What then I care about this world and anything in this world when I have your name, my Lord, and you are sitting in the name. Banwari re, जीने का सहारा तेरा नाम रे, मुझे दुनिया वालों से क्या काम रे. बनवारी रे, जीने का सहारा तेरा नाम रे, मुझे दुनिया वालों से क्या काम रे. This whole world, and that we are looking for things in this world that is not there. We're looking for happiness in this world. It only binds us, bandhan. It brings us in bondage. This Maya makes a trap for us, and it ties us in this world. Our very breath becomes the world. The only real thing, my Lord, is your name. Let's chant the name of the Lord, realizing that He is sitting in the name. Jhoothi duniya, jhoothi bandhan, jhoothi hai yah maya. Jhoothi duniya, jhoothi bandhan, jhoothi hai yah maya. झूठी सांस का आना जाना, झूठी है ये माया. When someone loves God, your whole inside becomes colored by Bhagwan. रंग हो जाते हैं. You become colored inside and outside by the love of Bhagwan. And then you give up the whole world because the mind now gets attached to Shri Krishna. You give up the whole world. You become His. You attain the divine love. You become a vessel for the divine love of Shri Krishna. All by taking the name. रंग में तेरे रंग गई गिरधर छोड़ दिया जग सारा. रंग में तेरे रंग गई गिरधर छोड़ दिया जग सारा. बन गई तेरे प्रेम की जोगन लेकर नाम प्रचार. ओ मुझे प्यारा तेरा नाम रे बनवारी रे. जीने का सारा तेरा नाम रे. मुझे दुनिया वालों से क्या काम रे. Darshan Tera. My Lord, if I were able to take your darshan, see your divine form, that day all my worries, all my sorrows will be destroyed. Because I will attain the supreme divine bliss. इनके चरणों में, इन चरणों में, your lotus feet is my life itself. मेरा जीवन है. और आशा की ज्योति. It is the light of my belief, my faith. Bring that light in my heart. Hey Shri Krishna, please hold my hands, my Lord. I am drawn into this material world of Maya. Darshan tera jis din paau har chinta mit jaye. Darshan tera jis din paau har chinta mit jaye. जीवन मेरा इन चरणों में आस की ज्योति जलाए. ओ मेरी बाह पकड़ लो श्याम रे बनवारी रे. जीने का सारा तेरा नाम रे. मुझे दुनिया वालों से क्या काम रे. दुनिया वालों से क्या काम है. बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. अब तुझे संक्षेप में समझ लो. Just I'm going to finish the katha, so just understand briefly. So now Naraji is explaining that I have visited many places in the northern direction I was going, and having journeyed for a long time, I came to a huge, formidable forest. बहुत घने वन. वो पीपल के पेड़ के नीचे बैठ जाके बैठ. I went and sat under a peepal tree. And with a collective mind, started meditating on Bhagwan. He's been taught by the saints and sages how to do dhyan, how to do रूप ध्यान. अब संतों बताते हैं वो मन से भक्ति करना. We have to do devotion with the mind. The senses are helpers. The hand for clapping, the tongue for singing, the feet for visiting the places of worship, the hand to do seva. But most important, mind. So he said, I focused my mind as taught by the saints and sages and meditated on the form as they told me on that Supreme Lord. Even as I meditated on His lotus feet, I became overwhelmed with love. Asu bahne lage. Tears started flowing from the eyes. Paws on the body raised on ends. Goosebumps. Harpilation. This is all. अब हम लोग भक्ति करते हैं, भगवान का नाम लेते हैं और कुछ नहीं. We say we do bhakti, we do devotion to Bhagwan. We're chanting the name, we're doing puja, and nothing is happening. Tulsidas Ji says, he seemed to be very angry with those of us who worship God only mechanically, without a feeling. He says, He paatahu putahu nayan, aur jarahu sutan ke hi kaam, dravahi shravahi pulkahi nahi, tulsi sumirat ram. Someone is worshipping Bhagwan, you're chanting the name of Bhagwan, you're doing puja, and the heart doesn't melt with love. Dravai. Dravana means to melt. To hear paatahu, that heart should be ripped apart. Useless. Shravahi, and tears doesn't flow from the eyes, tears of love. Futahu nayan, those eyes should be bursted. Or pulakai. Pulakai means the pause and the body doesn't raise on ends. Goosebumps. Jarahu satan ke kaam, that body should be burned to ashes. That when these things happen, when the tears are flowing from the eyes and the pause and the body is raised on end, and the heart is filled with joy, then we are doing bhakti. That bhakti hai. Then there's bhakti. This has happened to Naraji. All of this is happening to them. Bhagwan eventually give grace to Naraji. He saw Bhagwan in his heart. Darshan ho gaya Bhagwan ka, hriday mein. He saw Bhagwan while meditating. He saw the real form. Bhagwan gave a glimpse to him. वो दे दिया एक झांकी. तो भगवान, when that happened, Naraji say, I became so filled with joy. भगवान का रूप देखकर, when he saw the form of Bhagwan, he fell unconscious. बेहोश हो गया. He neither thought about, he could not even think about himself, nor even Bhagwan. A behosh, he became unconscious. When I lost consciousness, then I failed to see Bhagwan again. Bhagwan, ek jhalak diya bas. He just gave a little glance at that time to Naraji. Naraji said, longing to behold that form again. उसको देखना, बार बार देखना चाहते हैं. अभी एक अंदर से लोभ आ गया. लोभ. हाँ, लोभ means greed in the world is very bad. But when it comes to bhakti, to Bhagwan, we are told to increase it. But how? This is the life of bhakti. To long, to yearn to see Bhagwan every moment. The long and the yearning. Naraji said that happened to me. But I could not find Bhagwan. I sat down again and meditated. अब बैठ गया, फिर रूप ध्यान किया. नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Naraji said, I became बहुत दुखी हो गया. I became so miserable. At that time, a voice came. एक बानी आ गया. The Lord spoke to Naraji. Hey Narad, in this birth, because you were born from such a low person, in this birth you were not fit for me to gain darshan of me. Only those who have attained perfection in bhakti, वो सिद्ध हो गया भक्ति में, when they become attain perfection in bhakti, and all impurities have become cleansed from the heart, pure mind, pure heart. Nirmal man jan so mohi pava, mohi kapat chal chitra na bhava. Bhagwan Shri Ram is saying to Sugriv about Vibhishan. Everyone is saying, throw Vibhishan in the jail, lock him up, tie him up. When he came to the shelter of Prabhu Shri Ram, kicked out of Lanka by Ravana, Bhagwan smiled and said, Sugriv, only those who are pure in heart, pure mind, can know me, see me, attain me. I cannot tolerate deception, deceit, fraud. In other words, if Vibhishan wasn't pure in heart, he could not come to me. That's the condition. It has to be completely pure. Then, when that burning desire, that longing, that yearning inside of that soul to see me, to have my divine darshan when I appear in front of them. इस लोभ से जो भी कामनाएं होते हैं हृदय में, तो सब जला जाते हैं, जल जाते हैं. Through that longing and yearning for Bhagwan, to have the divine vision of Bhagwan, all the latent desires in the heart and the mind is burnt out. So powerful that yearning, that longing. अब जो आपने थोड़ी सी सेवा की संतों की, अब देखो भगवान इस सेवा पर इतना जोर दे रहे हैं, और थोड़ी सी सेवा आपने दिया, इसलिए मैंने आपको ये झलक दिया. That little seva, that seva you did to the saints and sages, even though so for short time. Seva, serving the saints and sages, say this is real seva. It is so powerful. He says, that's why I gave you that glance. I showed you this vision of mine a little bit. बाद में हम आपको मिल गए. इसके बाद you're going to give up this material form of yours, और छोड़ देंगे, हमारा एक जन बन जाएंगे. You'll become one of my attendants, Narad ji, and your thought of me will never cease. महाप्रलय पर भी हमको भूलेगा नहीं. He says, even in Mahapralay, when everything is completely dissolved, you will always remember me, Narad ji. I am blessing you as this. Even when everything is destroyed. This happened. Narad ji said, ये बहुत, with my mind fixed on Shri Krishna. उसके मन एकदम एकत्र हो गया. His mind has become so fixed on Shri Krishna at all times. I became free from all attachments of the heart. That came to me like a flash of lightning. In a moment, Narad ji felt the saints and sages doesn't feel anything. We in the world, why do you think people are so scared to listen to Garud Puran? If Panditji said tomorrow we're going to have Garud Puran Yagna for doing Priti Paksh, nobody is going to attend. Why? We're too scared to hear. Because we know we have done a lot of wrong things, and we don't want to hear the punishment that we're going to get. It is said that death, the pain of death, especially for a worldly soul, because we are so attached in the material world, is more than the sting of 10,000 scorpions. It's written in Garud Puran. Death, the pain that you become unconscious. But for a highly evolved soul like Narad ji, like the saints and sages, they leave the body. Like an elephant, you put a garland around the neck, and the garland, that mala of the flowers is broken, it falls, and the elephant knows nothing. So, this highly evolved soul brings the pran, the life, to the Sahasra Chakra and leaves the body without any effort. There's no pain, no suffering. Because there was some prarabdha, past action that was responsible for me to have, it was reaped, and I left that. At the expiry of 1,000 evolutions of Chaturyuga, then Mahapralay comes. Brahma goes back into Bhagwan. The entire creation is absorbed. Bhagwan alone remains. It's called Mahapralay. I also went into Bhagwan. And then, again, creation started. Brahma came out, evolved, and then Marichi and all the Saptarishis, etc., they evolved from the mind of Brahma. They're called Manas Putra. Sanak Sanandan, Sanatan, Sanak Kumar, the Saptarishis. And Narad ji, they are called Manas. So Narad ji is also called the son of the Manas Putra of Brahma. He conceived them. Bhagwan told Brahma to go to creation. First thing Brahma did, he created all his Babajis. The Saptarishis, Sanak Sanandan, Sanatan, Sanak Kumar, etc. All Babaji. So there was no multiplying. So Bhagwan says, Are Brahma, aap kya kare, kya hoga? What's going to happen? No creation. This Babaji is not going to multiply. I want you to do creation. Then Brahma himself became two. Apne ko do banaya. Manu, Shatrupa. He made himself male and female, and then creation started. Anyhow, so I move about to the grace of Bhagwan. I move about through all the three worlds. No one stops. My passage is unobstructed. Bhagwan ne ye tambura diya. There's one string instrument Naradi plays on. So he goes everywhere with it. He says, Bhagwan gave me this. The Bhagwan ka ek bhet hai. This is the gift from Bhagwan. It's divine. It's not this, we may think, oh, it is Naradi. What is this great thing about? But it's Bhagwan ka bhet. This is divine. I go about everywhere singing Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. I sing the glories of the Lord. ये भगवान का गुणगान करते हैं by nourished in the pastimes of the Supreme Lord, glorifying the Lord. This becomes a raft, a boat, a now for crossing this Bhavasagar, this ocean of mundane existence. The heart that is smitten with lust to breathe every moment, and one finds no peace, no happiness. You might even do yoga. Today is yoga day in the whole world. Everybody is doing yoga, and trying to control, self-control, etc. That does not bring peace and happiness as glorifying the Lord, as doing bhakti to Lord Mukund, to Shri Krishna. वो भक्ति से सब कुछ मिलेगा. हे व्यास जी, इसलिए मैं आपसे कहता हूं कि आप जाके खुद भक्ति करो. पहले आप भक्ति करो. आप कला अवतार है. You are partial manifestation of Shri Krishna, but if you want to write this book, you want to get bhakti, then you have to do bhakti first. पहले जाके भक्ति करो. You have to go and do bhakti. Narad ji, Vyas ji went and did bhakti. हम today bhakti करेंगे. Let's do a little bhakti. Try to meditate on Bhagwan Shri Krishna. To Shri Krishna, Radha Rani, who is Bhagwan Krishna himself. Let's meditate on Bhagwan for a few minutes as we do bhakti. Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe, Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe, Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe, Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Ek baat sunao, let me tell you something. I said let's do meditation on Bhagwan and I started singing Radhe Radhe. You know why? Because this name Radha is the dearest thing to Shri Krishna. When Shri Krishna hears someone chanting Radhe, he comes running. Are Bhagwan Krishna also is chanting Radhe Radhe. It is said that when Shri Krishna would go to sleep, when he will go to sleep, from every pore of his body, the sound will come Radhe Radhe Radhe. And while he's awake, he's chanting Radhe Radhe Radhe. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiv, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, all are chanting Radhe Radhe. So then why should we chant Radhe Radhe? Atma tu Radhika tasya. The Vedas say Radha Rani is the Atma, the soul of Shri Krishna. This is why the name Radhe, Radha is so dear to Shri Krishna. So we want to please Shri Krishna. We chant Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Oh Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Oh Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Oh Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Oh Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe,
योगेन मनसि सम्यक् प्राणिते मले अपश्यत् पुरुषं पूर्वं मायां च तत्पाश्रयाम्। ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। बोलो राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। बोलो राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। राधे 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 ओ राधे 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 ओ राधे 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 ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। ओ राधा रानी जय। भक्ति योगेन मनसि सम्यक् प्रणिहिते मले अपश्यत् पुरुषं पूर्वं मायां च तत्पाश्रयाम्। Narad, Vyasji went in with bhakti. Bhakti yogena manasi. With the mind, he contemplated on Bhagwan in the form of Bhagwan. This is the first the first canto, 7th chapter, and the verse I just quoted, verse number 4. So Narad pehle, Vyasji saw he did bhakti. This is Naradji instructed, he did bhakti. After some time, Apashyat Purusham, and first he saw Bhagwan. Apashyat Purusham, he saw Bhagwan. Bhagwan appeared before him. Then he saw Maya. Mayam cha tat pashyam. He saw Maya. Maya has a form. He saw Maya also, that form of Maya. Wo dekha. And through that Maya, this entire world gets deluded, as we heard in Gita. Tibet Gurumayir Bhave Really Sarvamidam Jagat. Chapter 7 verse 15. The entire world gets deluded by the three modes of Maya. That Maya he saw. अब वो सिर्फ भक्ति से ही व्यास जी के ये समझ में आ गया कि सिर्फ भक्ति से ही माया से मुक्त हो जाएगा. Only by bhakti one can become free from that trigun maya, that maya which is known as trigun, which binds us in this material world. Bhagwan blessed Vyas ji, and Vyas then through that bhakti, वो मन में वो भक्ति पैदा हो गई. He attained bhakti. Devotion came in his heart. और इसके बाद उन्होंने ये भागवत महापुराण लिखा. Narad ji then Vyas ji then wrote, जिससे वो भागवत महापुराण सबके लिए, for everyone. As I mentioned in the beginning, not everyone can read Veda, understand Veda. So Narad, the Vyas keeps saying Narad. Narad ji also knows Bhagavad Mahapuran. But through his teaching, Vyas ji also attained. So that if she can produce Bhagavad in this form, it came as the extension of Vyas, Bhagwan himself, to produce Bhagavad Mahapuran, which is also called Bhagavad Samhita, so that everyone in the world can benefit. और उसके बाद अपने पुत्र सुखदेव जी को
यही भागवत सुनाया और सुखदेव जी ने परीक्षित को सुनाया और हम लोग को सब सुनते हैं. So Vyas ji then wrote this Bhagavad Mahapuran, and then he taught the same Bhagavad Mahapuran, 18,000 shlok. He taught the same Bhagavad Mahapuran to his son Shukadev ji, Shukadev Paramhans, and then Shukadev ji taught the same Bhagavad to King Parikshit. Today we all can listen to Bhagavad Mahapuran. This is the gist, is in a short way the gist of the greatness of this Bhagavad Mahapuran. I started this katha yesterday. Bole Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai, Bhakti Mahadevi ki jai, Bhagavad Mahapuran ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe.